Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Diane King Hall, here to take you through today's market action. It was a mixed day ahead of earnings from big tech, which kicked off after the closing bell. The Nasdaq closed at a record with a 1% rally. The S&P 500 added 0.2%. The Russell finished off its low, but still closed down 0.25%. The Dow lost 0.4%. As for sectors, communications led the way with a 1.6% gain. Technology added 1.1%. Utilities closed down as the biggest laggard, losing 2.1%. Energy sold off 1.4%. Turning to stocks on the move after hours. AMD lost ground after reporting inline EPS and a slight revenue beat. AMD reported 122% growth year over year, logging record data center revenue. CEO Lisa Su says the company expects to see, quote, significant growth opportunities across data center, client, and embedded businesses for the fourth quarter. It expects to make $7.2 to $7.8 billion in revenue, but it continues to trail market leader Nvidia. Alphabet gained ground thanks to an aftermarket earnings beat. The Mag 7 darling reported $88.2 billion in revenue, beating expectations of $86.3 billion. Much of that growth came from the company's cloud division, up 35% year over year. Google services revenue increased 13%. McDonald's closed lower despite reporting an earnings beat this morning. Revenue grew close to 3% year over year, but global comp sales fell 1.5%. The CEO says the quick service restaurant sector has, quote, meaningfully slowed due to price pressure on lower income consumers. As for the E. coli outbreak, he says, quote, the situation appears to be contained, adding, we're sorry for what our customers experienced. Eli Lilly, Caterpillar, and Humana report earnings before the opening bell tomorrow. Microsoft and Meta lead earnings after markets close. We'll also hear from Starbucks, Coinbase, and Carvana. On the data front, we'll get the latest reading on GDP, new data on jobs from ADP, and pending home sales. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Diane King Hall. Remember to tune into the Schwab Network 24/7.